What is motion? Motion means change in position with time. So car is moving and it is changing its position with time. So motion means change in position of a body with time. So movement of a body along with time. For example, if we move the ball from A to B, so it is changing its position with time. So what time it takes? 9 seconds. So within 9 seconds, the ball is going from A to B. So that is called the motion. So motion is called as change in position with time. Types of motion. How many types of motion are there? There are 4 types. Number 1, rectilinear motion. Rectilinear, linear means straight. So motion in a straight line. So rectilinear motion takes place in a straight line. For example, a ball is moving from A to B. So it is a type of rectilinear motion. Number 2, circular motions. So motion which takes place in a circular path in the shape along the circumference of a circle. For example, Earth is moving in a circular path around the sun. It is an example of circular motion. Number 3, rotational motion. When a motion of a body around the fixed axis passing through the objects. So rotational body takes place around the fixed axis through the object. So example is ceiling fan moving on its axis, that is called as axle. So blade of the ceiling fan is moving due to the axis of rotation. Even there are other examples. Earth rotates on its axis. Number 4 is periodic motion, the motion that repeats in equal intervals of time. So periodic motion takes place in equal interval of time. For example, swinging. Even the simple pendulum, they also swing. Is the example of periodic motion. So here example is given. A car is completing one round in every 3 seconds. So in every 3 seconds, it is completing the one round each. So that means the car is doing the periodic motion. So in every one round, it takes 3 seconds. For 3 seconds, it complete one round. Again it goes. So here the periodic motion also include the circular motion. So periodic motion means the motion which takes place at irregular interval of time. Object can undergo two motion also at the same time. Some examples are given. A car moving on road, wheels of a car moving in a straight line, and simple pendulum. So car moving on straight road is showing the rectilinear motion because car is moving on a straight path. So that's why it is an example of rectilinear motion. Now wheels of a car moving in a straight line. Since car is moving straight and car is moving with the help of wheel, so wheel is rotating in a rotational way, that is in a circular pattern. So wheel is showing the rotational motion, whereas car is moving in a rectilinear motion. So both two motions are seen here. So that's why we can say an object can have both motion at the same time. What about the simple pendulum? Simple pendulum found in clocks. So simple pendulum do to and fro motion. So that is why it is also called as oscillating motion or periodic motion. So periodic motion means the motion repeat itself at equal intervals of time. That's all.